In a world of colors, shapes, and light, Zoran the architect brings visions to sight. Master of 3D with a magical touch, Kafica designs that enchants so much. Spaces come alive with every line he draws, creating harmony beneath nature's laws. Zoran the wizard, shaping dreams anew in the heart of creation. It's all about you. From sketches to structures, a vision so bright. In the realm of design, you're the guiding light. Every room tells a story, whispers of grace. Zoran weaves elegance into every space.
In the neon glow of a digital realm, swords crafting visions taking the helm. Lines and curves, they twist and bend, creating a world that has no end. With every click and every sway, he shapes the future, paving the way. Through pixelated dreams, he'll always shine. 3D master keys, a judo art so divine. Zoran architect, building up the night. In a universe of colors, everything feels right. From shadows to light, he's casting the spell. In this vibrant world, we know him well. Zoran 3D master in the story streams, designing our futures with the power of dreams.
U svijetu boja gdje snovi setkaju, Zoran arhitekt, da ti si taj koji zna svaki za čudo. Svi prostori ožive, 3D dizajn, svakom srcu privržen. Oblikuj senke, pusti ih da plešu, u enterijeru svaka staza se kreću. Zoran, majstor stila, u tvom radu nalazimo mirila. Zidovi kolore, prosto se smije, u svakom kutku ljubav se krije. Svetlost prolazi kroz prozore tvoje, kiza čudo plove u tvojoj viziji nove. Svaki detalj savršen, svaki kutak daje u tvom kreativnom umu. Inspiracija traje za svaki enterijer.
In einer Welt aus Licht und Schatten, Zoran der Architekt, er wird uns verzaubern. Mit seinen Ideen, so kühn und neu. Kafica, die Magie, die ist nicht einerlei. Interieurs entfaltet in 3D, jeder Winkel, jede Kurve, pure Harmonie. Zoran der Meister der Räume, so kreativ, mit einem Blick für Design, der uns bewegt. Die Visionen blühen im Flow der Zeit. Kafica, die Zukunft, bereit für die Freiheit. Farben spielen, Formen tanzen, jedes Detail erweckt unsere Träume. Eine Symphonie aus Raum.